Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to solve a problem Mr. Perfectly Fine from Codeforces round 871 division 4. Victor wants to become Mr. Perfectly Fine. For that he needs to acquire a certain set of skills. More precisely, he has two skills he needs to acquire. Victor has n books. Reading book I takes him m minutes and give him some required of the two skills represented by a binary string of length 2. So what is the minimum amount of time required so that Victor acquires all the two skills? So the question tells us that Victor wants to be Mr. Perfectly Fine. For that he needs to acquire two certain skills. So he has n books and each n books and each book requires m minutes and give possibly one of the two skills or maybe the two skills together, that is represented by a string of length 2. So we have to find out the minimum amount of time required for Victor to acquire those two skills. So the input will be the t, the number of test cases, and each t will contain n, the number of books, and each n contains a positive integer m and a binary string of length 2 that signifies what skill he will acquire. So we have to find out a single integer denoting the minimum amount of minutes required for Victor to obtain both the skills, and -1 if in case it's impossible for him to obtain the two skills after reading any amount of books. So let's go to the code and code it out. So let's code it out. Include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h using namespace std, int main, int t will be the number of test cases, so while t minus minus, then int n the number of books. Okay, so for each we will have two things. For each books we will have minutes and a string s that will signify the skills. And let's run the for loop for the number of books. For int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So for each book we will input two things, minutes and string s. Okay, so if you can see in this example, there is 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1. Okay, so from 1 0 and 0 1 we will get the both the skills together, and from 1 1 we will get the both the skills together in a single time. Okay, so we have to find out the minimum amount of time taken to obtain the skills from both of them. So for that, what we will do, we'll take minimum, three minimums. Min a equals to 1e9, or you can write int max also. Min b equals to 1e9 comma min c equals to 1e9. Okay, so if the skill, that is s, equals to 1 0, what we'll do, will min a equals to min of min a comma m, that will be the minutes. Else if similarly, if s equals to 1 0 1, min b equals to min of min b comma m, and similarly else if s equals to 1 1, min c equals to min of min c comma m. So we got the minimum of the values, okay, for each book. And then what we have to do, after getting the minimum time of them, we have to find int answer equals to min of min a plus min b for 1 0 and 0 1 comma min c. Okay, we have got the answer. So if answer greater than equals to 1e9, that is int max or infinity, will see out -1. Okay, else will see out the answer, and finally will return 0. So let's take the example. 7559 minus 18, 7559 minus 18. Okay, so let's download the code. Let's submit it. Yeah, it's running absolutely fine. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.